Hey, Brian with Harvest Tech back at the office here. I wanted to talk a little bit about a couple of the new replacement parts kits that we're coming out with. Very common in the last 12 months. Both dealers and customers have requested for their automatic applicators some basic spare parts to stock. So some of our most common applicators for the large square balers, the automatic kits. On your spray shields, we want to make sure that we're including a lot of the basic tips, your check valves. So see the description of this video, but we're going to list two kits available. One for our 3-pump automatic applicators and one for our 700 series single pump pulsing solenoid. So in the 3-pump system, you can see we're going to have some basic check valves, some fittings, some screens and filters. Real simple to keep this in the back of your tractor, put it in a toolbox, twine box on the large square, and then a separate part number for the 700 series. Again, a lot of your screens and tips, but we're also going to include that pulsing solenoid that is on the 700 series variable rate applicator. So again, hope this helps out, and see the description for the part numbers of these two new kit offerings.